Hello, my name is Belle, and welcome to CTE 2018 Velocity 2.0. This is the actual shared document for CTE Velocity 2.0. So now, um, I would like to let you know that this section for the CTE should not be updated. Please make sure that we don't make changes on this section. So the team or agent name, team name should be Velocity 2.0, right? Now for this, they should not be changed at any point. This should be in Teams only. But for now, I'm gonna show something. This was actually updated, and well, we thank you, Andrea, for updating this section. But for every one of us, please let's not make some changes on this. This section is only intended for Robinsino's update. So I'll put here team. I'll choose the team on the drop down. Now, when I do that, nice. So it's already showing everyone's name here. So everyone on Velocity 2.0's name is already reflected here. So five of you guys are on Velocity 2.0. So this is where Andrea should update her number. So lead agent, and this is where she put her numbers in, right? Now, same thing goes for Catherine. She has to enter her business plan here. She may update this anytime she want, whenever she have changes on her business plan. Now, I will go to the My Business section of the CTE. So this is where we enter our buyer or listing contracts. So good job to Andrea. She had several buyer transactions already, buyer contracts. So the good thing that she did here is she never forget to choose the drop down, to use the drop down menu in the team member one. So she choose her name. So whenever you make some changes on this, make sure that please you update this on your name, especially if you have new contracts added, making sure that it's going to be credited on your name. All right. Now, let's go to the third section, the daily lead generation entry. This is done or updated in a daily basis. You can update this in the actual link in this actual OneDrive file. However, for your convenience, we did share you a survey form that you can access from your smartphone. So you can update this in a daily basis regularly, right? Now, I will go ahead and give you some tips if in case you might be interested to create your own CTE for yourself only. So I'll go to OneDrive right now and I will access the CTE file. And this is the CTE 2018 Velocity 2.0. So I will copy this right now and I will save it to dummy folder. So click this copy, check. Now copy one item to dummy folder. So I'll go to the dummy folder right now. So Velocity 2.0 is already here and I'll just update the name. I'm gonna rename this to, let's say, Catherine's name. Perfect. All right, this is saved already, so I already have my own CTE for myself, right? So I can update my own numbers and change this, uh, play around with those tabs and the drop downs on my own. So I can change the section number one into individual CTE. So if I go to my business plan, I can change it to individual and I'll put my name, Catherine's name. Perfect. So that's how it is. Hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you may have any additional questions. I'd be glad to answer them. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Bye.